On this next song, one of our favorite songs to play. Kasi naririnig namin kayong lahat kumakanta kasabay namin. Isang awit para sa mga bigo sa pag-ibig. Isang awit na i-dedicate natin sa mga ex natin na walang kwenta. Para sa mga ex natin na sinungaling. At lalong-lalo na sa mga ex natin na malalandi. Kung napagdaanan nyo, napagdaanan ko, please sing it as loud as you can. This was called The Fight Is Over. When the fighting is over, 'cause the mouths have just run dry, as our feelings get colder, there's nothing to hold us now. Gave all this time just to feel it down. Sabay-sabay ha. Kinukunan kami ng DVD para maganda. Edit nyo na lang. Sabay-sabay tayo lahat. As loud as you can. Can you explain what